All right, I'm gonna have to zoom this out just a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, you will have two problems like this one, like these that we are about to do. So it says, plot the line with the equation 2y equals 2x minus 3. So let's first take a moment and figure out what m and what b is. Remember, m, when we're plotting, always we want to write as a fraction. So our m is always next to x, so this would be 2 over 1. And our b is going to include the sign, so it'll be negative 3. So I'm going to find my b on my y-axis because it is my y-intercept. So I'm going to find negative 3 on the y-axis. Because my m is positive, that means I'm going to go up that many boxes, and then I'm going to run right 1 box. Up 2 boxes, run right 1 box. Up 2 boxes, 1 right 1. Remember, I told you I like to go as far as I can. Again, your test will be multiple choice, so as long as you can kind of figure out which one it is, that's all you need to know. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. We just talked about if you do not see a number next to x, it is an invisible 1. So this is going to be negative 1 and over 1 because I like fraction. My b is going to be 3. So I'm going to find b on the y-axis. I'm going to go down 1, over 1. Down 1 box, over a box. Down a box, over a box. Down a box, over a box. You should see the pattern. You should see the pattern. I know you guys like my songs. It's fine. It's great. All right. Okay. Now we're going to do the flip of this. Instead of giving the equation and writing and drawing it, we are going to be given the graph and we are going to have to write the equation. So that means that we need to pick out the m and we need to pick out the b. I'm going to let you know, just like when we're plotting, how we plot the b first, the b is going to be the easiest. So you need to find where your line that is graphed goes through the y-axis at. So in this case, it is at 4. So my b is going to be at 4. Where is another spot on that line that touches corners of boxes? You could tell me a few places. Here is one. Here is one. Here is one. It really doesn't matter, right? Now I need to draw my triangle. Okay? So I'm going to go up and over. So this is going to be 1, 2 boxes, over 1 box. If yours ended up being something else, does it reduce down to 2 over 1? Or in this case, 2? That's what you're looking for. So then we're going to write our equation of our line. So we always need it to be y equals some number x plus some number. So what's going to go in place of m? Positive 2, because my line left to right goes up. And our b is going to be positive 4. Okay? Last one, dealing with these. First, we are going to, actually, I think I can put both on. Sweet. My m and my b. So these don't have numbers on them, but we can figure it out, okay? Let's just say they go by ones, make our life easier. So my b is going to be positive 1. Where's another spot that this line touches boxes, corners of boxes? Right here. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and write 1, 2, 3. And as I go left to right, my line goes up, so it is positive. So then when you go to write your line, you have y equals some number x plus some number. In place of m, I will put positive 2/3. In place of b, I will put positive 1.